This is it. No money, no resource, just a dream and the courage to make it happen. Welcome to the ultimate restart. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of This Is It. This is a series where I'm building a car and modifying a car, starting with nothing. That's right, zero money to start with. Just a whole lot of hustle and a whole lot of elbow grease. Wanna see how I do it? Stick around and find out. Since I'm starting with nothing, I'm gonna first need to find the seed money, and I got some old stuff that I don't use anymore, and I'm gonna sell them to make the seed money. Gotta get something to start with, right? Since I just moved to this house, it won't be hard for me to find stuff I need to sell, because I kind of know what I have already and I kind of separate them already. So let's take a look. I got a bunch of this spacer I can sell. Some airbags, fender roller, and more spacer. I also got bow flake, I got some Digitech guitar pedal, Prius head unit, also got this Hot Wheels. These are special edition. I don't need them anymore, so why not just get rid of it? I also got one more thing that I can sell. Another guitar pedal. So this is pretty much everything I can sell. The Hot Wheels, the bow flakes, and all this car parts right here. So let's clean it up and see how much I can sell it for. Almost forgot one more thing that I don't need it anymore. An old air compressor. Go clean that one up and put it for sale also. Alright, let's post it for sale. So now that the listing is live, we just gotta wait for the buyer to come through, and we'll see how this goes. Here's the list of what I'm selling so far. Alright, let's go to the junkyard. Make sure to put some old clothes on, because we gotta get down and dirty over there. Let's go. And we're here. So I got a message from a buyer, and he's coming to pick up the compressor tonight. Let's see if he show up. So here's the thing. After junkyard, I realized that these last 5 to 10 years, the part has gotten pretty expensive. And don't get me wrong, you can still try to find part and sell it, but the profit is not as much anymore. So I gotta find plan B. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, but let's find out next week. And I'll see you in the next one. This is it.